The U.S. economy is slowing down, according to new data from the last quarter. The latest numbers and the fight over spending in Congress are adding to fears of a looming recession. Our Washington correspondent Hannah Brand joins us to break it all down.
A new Commerce Department report shows the U.S. economy grew at a rate of just 1.1% in the first quarter of this year. That's slower than expected, but not everyone sees it as bad news.
Our view is that the economy is in a very strong position right now.
New economic numbers for the first quarter show weaker than anticipated growth, but the White House insists overall things are good. They point to figures that show consumer spending grew more than 3% in that same time period.
If folks are getting out there feeling comfortable that they can spend on what they need and what they want, that usually means the economy is in pretty healthy shape.
The slowing economy shows the impact of the Federal Reserve's recent interest rate hikes. Inflation is coming down, but economist Ethan Harris predicts the Fed isn't finished.
To get inflation all the way back to their target, the Fed needs to see more weakness in the economy.
The challenge for the Fed is to avoid triggering a recession by slowing the economy too much. And a political showdown over lifting the debt ceiling makes reaching that goal even more complicated.
We may have a very ugly debt ceiling fight, and that could undercut confidence and accelerate the weakening of the economy.
Democrats blame Republicans for increasing the risk of financial trouble.
What we should be doing is responsibly getting to work on behalf of everyday Americans, not engaging in a reckless, dangerous default showdown.
But Republicans say they'll raise the debt ceiling if Congress passes spending cuts, which they insist are crucial for the long-term health of the economy.
We're on a tipping point, and this president wants to even spend more money.
The Federal Reserve has a meeting next week, which is when they could announce another interest rate hike. In Washington, I'm Hannah Brand.